aming nilakbay. Hindi pa nasali yung papunta doon sa Lapland. We drove about 4,000 kilometers! Yay! Palakpakan! Oh, manifesting campers, man. Ayan na, nasa center na po tayo ng Haparanda. Haparanda? Haparanda. Okay, continue. We're almost in the border. We're still in Sweden. So this one, we're part of the Kalix River. Too long. Yeah, that one. Hindi na pa tayo nagka-Kalix River. There's a bridge overpass. The Friendship. Norway, Finland, and Red Cross.
Oj, kan du utvecklingen? Vi står bakom er rörelse fram.
Swami. Swami. Kemi. Alright. We're heading to Finland border. To Kemi. And Kemi is a part of Finland. Welcome to Finland! Wow, nice. Trosso. Pine trees. Seen it? Bye. Ang haba ng train. Welcome to Oulu. Finland is still beautiful. Grabe, dala-dala mo pa rin yung iyong talent. Big! Good! It's a big one! Ooh. What's that? Huh? Woo! No! Nice one! That's okay! Oh gosh! Nakuha! Nabibo! Ito na, strike na naman. Strike! Strike! Small? Yay! Release? Release ni mo? Ah, good job! Yeah! Release na lang muna. Ay, the eh. Ay. Ay. Stick to wings. Tampere. Yan. Last stop over na namin to. At anong oras na po? Huwag na 8:30 in the evening. And we are here in Finland. Okay. Kakain muna kami and then dire-diretso na pa uwi ng bahay. Good holiday! Kain kami ng masarap na chicken wing. Ayan. Para pampagana naman pa uwi ng bahay. And we are in Helsinki! And it's 10:53 in the evening at ito ang aming nilakbay. Hindi pa nasali yung papunta doon sa Lapland. So we drove about 4,000 kilometers! Yay! Palakpakan! 4,000 plus. Okay, 4,000 plus. Here is 2,359 kilometers because this is from the middle of... No, actually this is from the border of Finland to Norway. And then continue here, Sweden, and to Finland and Helsinki. So, yung hindi ko pa na-solve yung dito.
4,030.
Yay! Good job! Natutulog ka na ng matagal. So, this is 2 weeks travel. So, we still have 4 days rest. Bye-bye! Good job! Any words?
Solid team.
Basic?
Denmark na naman.
Denmark. Ako na nandyan, ha?